Howdy food reviews here of Burger King's Million Dollar Whopper contest here. These are the two of the contest winners. We got the Maple Bourbon BBQ Whopper, and we also got the Mexican Street Corn Whopper. I also got the pickle fries here. Thanks for my mom for getting me these to review. Let's give these a try. So I never get to try something new that's a food item that's early. So usually in my area, we usually don't get the new food items until the release date. However, the release date is November 14th. However, I believe some Burger Kings are doing the release early. So this is really cool because, like I said, I never get to review a new food item early. I don't know why my local Burger King, or Burger Kings, because there's two Burger Kings. I don't know if the other one has the new Whoppers, but I don't know why my local Burger Kings are doing the releases early. I wonder if it's like maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a new food item coming out. I don't know, or maybe they're just doing the new releases early. Maybe they got permission to, but anyway, let's give these a try. So I'm going to give the Mexican Street Corn Whopper a try here. I didn't get the pickle because I'm not a big fan of Swiss cheese. So, but here is the Mexican street corn. I think it's got like queso. It's got like jalapeno strips. It's got, the burger. It's got the, it's got the, it's got the, it's got the lettuce and everything. It's got the corn. This is unique because burgers usually don't have corn on them, so. So they're doing this promo. But they actually did a promo. It was an online promo that they did about several months ago. I actually entered Mountain Dew Burger. I know that wasn't gonna win, so entered a Mountain Dew Burger. I entered. You could enter your own. This one actually looks pretty good. As you can see, it's got like barbecue sauce, bacon, jalapenos, cheese. And then we got the pickle fries here. Also got some honey mustard as well. They also gave me a Hidden Valley Ranch, but the only ranch I like is like the garlic ranch, the Cheez-It ranch, so I got honey mustard instead. Alright, first one I'm going to try is the Maple Bourbon BBQ Whopper. That's actually really good. It makes like a zesty flavor with the jalapeno strips. It's like fried jalapenos or whatever. They did the same thing last year with the ghost pepper Whopper. They put the jalapeno strips on the Whopper. This time they did the same thing with both of the Whoppers. Next up, it's a Mexican street corn Whopper. This one, instead of having like the American cheese, it's got like a queso on this, I believe. I don't know. I don't believe it's got cheese on this. No, it's just got queso. I was talking with a fellow YouTuber influencer, if you would say, because he posts his like upcoming reviews of upcoming products, Marky Devo. And I told him that my area had the new Whoppers. I guess not every area has it already. I don't know. These pickle fries are actually pretty good. Like I said, this is a first for me, because usually I don't get to try the new items first. Got myself a Pepsi Mango because I didn't get a drink. Oh well. I don't need a drink from Burger King anyway. I just wanted the Whoppers and the pickle fries to try. I'm not going to try the pickle Whopper because I'm not a big fan of Swiss cheese. And I think I've already tried the pickle fries. But they're also coming out with an advent calendar as well. So I'm interested in trying to get that as well. But I don't know. We'll see what... but they already had the $1 million Whopper contest like months ago. And these were the winners. So whoever created these Whoppers, good job. These are pretty good, I have to say. I wish these were a permanent item at Burger King because I would get these not frequently, but every so often. These are actually pretty good because like fast food is not really good for you all the time, but these are actually pretty good. I really like the Mexican street corn, and the Maple Bourbon BBQ Whopper is really good too. Like I said, I'm not going to try the pickle Whopper because I'm not a big fan of Swiss cheese. And I'm not a big fan of pickles that much, so the pickle fries, I think that's it for me. But I think that's it for me for Burger King for this year for reviews. I don't know if Burger King's coming out with anything other, like I said, besides the Advent Calendar, which I believe is like an online exclusive thing. But Burger King's been full of releases this year, I have to say. They've been full of releases. They have a lot of releases this year that have been pretty good, including these Whoppers here. So I would give this whole entire meal here an 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. So I highly recommend trying these. If your area doesn't have it yet, I'm sure it's going to be getting it pretty soon on November 14th. But like I said, I was fortunate to try these earlier on this November 11th, 2024.